Secrets of Gayatri Mudras. The Gayatri Mantra is a complete creation in itself and is endowed with the ability to create this universe. This cosmic energy, encapsulated in 24 syllables, connects us to the Supreme Brahman and brings peace to our threefold sufferings. Each syllable contains divine power, represented through various mudras, energies, associated siddhya, spiritual accomplishments, and their dimensions, which is a subtle science. Different deities and siddhis of Gayatri Mudras. The 24 mudras of Gayatri correspond to 24 deities encapsulated within the 24 syllables of Gayatri. Chaturvinshati, the 24 names of Gayatri, are divided into 12 Vedic and 12 Tantric categories. The 24 syllables of Gayatri harbor 24 divine powers, hence the worship and mudras align with these forms. The primary powers include Adya Shakti, Brahmi, Vaishnavi, Shambhavi, Vedmata, Devmata, Vishwamata, Ritambhara, Mandakini, Ajpa, Riddhi, and Siddhi, which belong to the Vedic class. The Tantric class includes Savitri, Saraswati, Lakshmi, Durga, Kundalini, Pranagni, Bhavani, Bhuvneshwari, Annapurna, Mahamaya, Payasvini, and Tripura. The amalgamation of the 12 forces of knowledge and 12 forces of science led to the creation of the 24-syllable Gayatri Mantra. To enhance the power of this mantra, 32 mudras, postures, are performed before and after chanting the mantra. These mudras, known as Gayatri Mudras, infuse the body with vital energy by preventing the interaction of positive and negative cells within the body. The 24 deities and their associated siddhis. In the application of Gayatri, the deity Savita is mentioned, signifying the 24 deities and their siddhya associated with the 24 syllables. 1. Agni, 2. Vayu, 3. Surya, 4. Kuber, 5. Yam, 6. Varun, 7. Brihaspati, 8. Parjanya, 9. Indra, 10. Gandharv, 11. Prosht, 12. Mitravarun, 13. Tvashta, 14. Vasav, 15. Marut, 16. Som, 17. Angira, 18. Vishvedeva, 19. Ashwini Kumar, 20. Pushan, 21. Rudra, 22. Vidyut, 23. Brahma, 24. Aditi. Each syllable represents a deity and acts as a power seed mantra. This grand mantra can be seen as a family or union of 24 deities. The ancient practitioners of Gayatri would attain miraculous attributes, which are interpreted today as 1. Pragya, wisdom, 2. Vaibhav, prosperity, 3. Sahyog, cooperation, 4. Pratibha, talent, 5. Ojas, strength, 6. Tejas, radiance, 7. Varchas, brilliance, 8. Kanti, glow, 9. Sahasitta, courage, 10. Divya Drishti, divine vision, 11. Purvabhas, premonition, 12. Vichar Sanchar, communication, 13. Vardhan, blessing, 14. Shap, curse, 15. Shanti, peace, 16. Pran Prayog, life force utilization, 17. Dehantar Sampark, contact with other beings, 18. Pranakarshan, life force attraction, 19. Aishwarya, divinity, 20. Dur Shravan, clairaudience, 21. Doordarshan, clairvoyance, 22. Lokantar Sampark, interworld contact, 23. Dev Sampark, contact with deities, 24. Kirti, fame. The 32 Gayatri Mudras. The 32 mudras, 24 Prava mudras and 8 Uttara mudras symbolically represent the 32 vertebrae in the spinal column, which is the focal point of 72,000 Nadia energy channels leading to different parts of the body. The 7 chakras are also present in the spine. Performing these mudras prevents obstructions and diseases by strengthening the body. After performing all these mudras, one should chant the Gayatri mantra at least 10 times in the Gyan Mudra position. Purv Mudras. The first 24 mudras, Purv Mudras, are performed before chanting the Gayatri mantra in Sandhya Vandanam. These mudras should be performed in front of a divine symbol or Gayatri idol or virtual image in mind, focusing on the 5 elements, Panchabhut. 1. Sumukham Mudra represents the state before creation. 2. Samputa Mudra represents the formation of egg bud. 3. Vitta Mudra represents the transformation of desire into action. 4. Vistrita Mudra represents the expansion of the universe. 5. Dvimukhan Mudra symbolizes dual faces of Brahman and nature. 6. Trimukha Mudra represents the combined energy of desire, knowledge, and action. 7. Chaturmukha Mudra represents the 4 Ved and human endeavors. 8. Panchmukhan Mudra represents the 5 elements. 9. Shanmukhan Mudra dedicated to Lord Kartikeya. 10. Adhomukha Mudra represents the downward path of nature's process. 11. Vyapak Anjali Mudra represents the expansion of nature. 12. Shaktan Mudra represents the activities of the body and chakras. 13. Yampasha Mudra represents life and death balance. 14. Grathita Mudra represents the merging of the 5 elements with God. 15. Chonmukhonmukhan Mudra represents the integration of the soul with the Supreme. 16. Pralamba Mudra represents the path to liberation. 17. Mushtika Mudra represents the elimination of ignorance. 18. Matsya Mudra represents mental stability and divine light. 19. Kurm Mudra encourages inward reflection and self-awareness. 20. Varah Mudra shows the way out of difficult situations. 21. Sinhakranta Mudra awakens fearlessness and righteousness. 22. Mahakranta Mudra represents immense knowledge post-ignorance. 23. Mudgara Mudra represents the weapon of cosmic destruction. 24. Pallava Mudra represents fearlessness and courage. Uttar Mudras. According to Smritis, these 8 mudras are performed after Gayatri Jap in Sandhya Vandanam. They activate the nerves and bring peace to the mind. 1. Surbhi Mudra represents fulfillment of desires. 2. Gyan Mudra improves concentration and awareness. 3. Chakra Mudra symbolizes all types of spiritual worldly cycles. 4. Yoni Mudra represents connection with divine energy. 5. Kurm Mudra purifies body and soul by covering bodily matters. 6. Pankaja Mudra represents the 1,000-petaled lotus that uncovers soul matters. 7. Lingan Mudra represents Lord Shiv energy. 8. Nirvana Mudra represents liberation and enlightenment. In conclusion, understanding and practicing these mudras is essential for Gayatri Sadhana, spiritual practice, as they are linked with the 24 powers and their associated siddhis.